The effect of heat energy. If you heat the particular substance, what will happen? First, the temperature of the substance will rise. Next, if its substance in solid state, it will change to liquid. If it is in liquid, it will change to gas. Next, the substance will expand when heated, whether it is solid or liquid or gas. These are the effect of heat. Expansion of substance. When heat energy is supplied to a body, there can be an increase in the dimension of object. This change in the dimension due to rise in temperature is called thermal expansion of the object. The expansion of liquids, example mercury, can be seen when a thermometer is placed in warm water. If you heat solid, the atoms present in solid vibrate more vigorously and cause expansion. The expansion of solid is smaller when compared with liquid and gases. This is due to some rigid, stable nature of solids. There are three different types of expansion of solid. They are linear, superficial, and cubical. Linear expansion. When a body is heated, there will be change in length of the body due to change in temperature. It is called linear expansion, otherwise called longitudinal expansion. The ratio of increase in length of the body per degree rise in temperature to its unit length is called coefficient of linear expansion. Its SI unit is Kelvin inverse. If you heat the linear solid, there will be change in length due to rise in temperature. This is called linear expansion. The equation relating the change in length and the change in temperature of a body is given as del L by L naught equal to alpha L into del T. This is the equation for a linear expansion. Here del L, change in length, that is final length minus original length. L naught is original length before heating, and del T, change in temperature. We can calculate del T by final temperature minus initial temperature, and alpha L is the coefficient of a linear expansion. Next, superficial expansion. If you heat the solid substance, if there is an increase in the area of solid object due to heating, then the expansion is called superficial expansion, otherwise called areal expansion. The ratio of increase in area of the body per degree rise in temperature to its unit area is called as coefficient of superficial expansion. See here, the violet portion of solid is original area of the substance. If you heated, it expanded up to green level. This increase in area is called areal expansion. The equation relating to the change in area and the change in temperature is del A by A naught equal to alpha A into del T. Del A is the change in area, that is the difference of final area and initial area. A naught is the original area before heating, and del T is the change in temperature. We can calculate by taking the difference between final temperature and initial temperature. Alpha A is the coefficient of superficial expansion. Third one, cubical expansion. If you heat the solid substance, if there is an increase in the volume of the solid due to heating, then the expansion is called as cubical. Here there is increase in volume. It is otherwise called volumetric expansion. The ratio of increase in volume of the body per degree rise in temperature to its unit volume is called coefficient of cubical expansion. The equation relating to the change in volume and the change in temperature is del V by V naught equal to alpha V into del T. It is same as areal expansion and linear expansion. Del V is the change in volume and V naught is the original volume before heating, and del T is the change in temperature. Alpha V is the coefficient of cubical expansion.